Welcome to our lesson about surface properties. I've already applied a material to this plate, polished steel. And I split the top face into two faces using a split line. I'm going to select this face now, and then open the Appearances pane. I won't select a different material for this face. Let's just go to the Advanced tab and click on Surface Finish. If you don't see this option, Surface Finish, it means you're on the Basic tab, so just be sure you're on the Advanced tab. The Type drop-down menu gives us a number of options. Let's check out Tread Plate. Notice I've got Dynamic Help checked. When this option is active, I'll get a long callout when I mouse over a parameter. All right, let's activate the Preview window. Now we can monitor the effect of this property on our part. Here we can adjust the amplitude, the scale, the blend, the radius. Let's select Dimpled now and increase the scale. And let's increase the blend as well. I'll take it up just a little more. Let's take a look at another type, knurled. And let me increase the scale a little as well. Lastly, I want to show you the From File option. Here we'll use a black and white image. Here it is. And let's click Browse. Navigate to the image you need. In my case, it's image 32. There's the preview. Let's click Open. Once again, we can increase the amplitude and the scale as needed. As you see, the low points are represented in white. The black represents high points. We can check here to use material scale and mapping, and so on. Let me just make a few more adjustments here. Okay, let's click OK. And now let's render the image. And this concludes our lesson about surface finish.